dual aspect concept. Now this is a very important concept. It forms the very basis of accounting. As per this concept, every transaction has got twofold effect. That is, every transaction has got a twofold effect. One is increase and the other one is decrease. Let us say, take an example, purchased goods from Ram for rupees 30,000. Now from the point of view of business, minded I am saying from the point of view of business, this transaction has got two effects. First one is that we are getting goods. Goods are coming into the business. So there is a corresponding increase in the value of goods. And the other one being Ram. Ram becomes a creditor to the extent of rupees 30,000. Since the payment has not been made, Ram becomes a creditor to the extent of 30,000. So the two effects are, the goods are coming into the business, so there is a corresponding increase in the value of goods, and Ram becomes a creditor to the extent of 30,000. Let us take another example. Purchased a building for rupees 50 lakhs. Now again, from the point of view of business, there are two effects. The building that we have purchased, it becomes an asset. Since it has a value and it belongs to the business, it would become an asset for the business. And we have paid cash. Since we have paid cash, so cash would be going out of the business. So what are the two effects? There will be a corresponding decrease of 50 lakh rupees in the value of cash and an increase in the value of building to the extent of rupees 50 lakhs. So dual aspect concept, it states that any transaction in the business has got a twofold effect. It has two effects and affects at least two entities or two transactions.